Hello everyone. In this video, I'll give you a brief description of Gmail search operators. So the first thing you want to do is go on any search engine and just type Gmail search operators and go to the very first article or the very first link that will give you the link to the article about the operators. So this is that article, right? So this will show you a table of the various search operators in a brief description at another column. So you do not need to memorize all of these because Gmail does have a user interface that will allow you to use them without memorizing the code. So this is my email, right? And this might look different from your Gmail because of a variety of settings differences. Also, I'm using a plugin, right? But at the very top of all Gmail, you'll see a search bar. So click on the search bar, and you'll see an icon at the very right of it, which is a down-facing arrow, right? Click on that, and now you'll see a bunch of blank fields corresponding to each search operator in this article. I don't think it has everything. I don't think this one has, for example, there's no blank fields for CC, but that's fine. So let's say you want to receive only email messages where the recipient of the email message is a particular email address. So for example, you want to only receive email messages sent to operations@blitzmetrics.com. So all you gotta do is type that here in this to field. Do not type here because this will give you email messages sent by that email address. Instead, you want to, in this case, you want to receive email messages sent to that email address. So type operations@blitzmetrics.com in this field. So here, right, this is what you gotta type. And then click search. So before, it gave me all the emails in my inbox. Now, it only filtered the ones that are sent to operations@blitzmetrics.com. Now, in this case, this gives me, these search results give me all of the, it gives me all of the email messages sent to operations@blitzmetrics.com, whether or not I've archived the message. So even if it's in my archive or even if it's a new email, it'll give me the search results, right? So what if I only want to get the new email? So all I gotta do is click on the arrow button again, and then on this search option, click this this drop down, and instead click inbox. So this option shows the domain of all possible results. So because I changed the drop down from all mail to inbox, this will only give me the mail that they're essentially new, and only the ones that are in my inbox. So once you do that, click search. Now the results are different, and these only give me results that are either unarchived in my inbox and sent to operations@blitzmetrics.com, right? So even if you look at the search bar, it'll actually write the code, but you don't need, like you said, you don't need to memorize the code. So another example would be, let's say I want to search for email messages that have the words $a day, right? So all you gotta do is type here $a day, right? And then just press enter or click search or whatever it is. And this will give you the results that have the words $, a, and day, right? But that's not very meaningful because we do have a course, this is it's a proper noun. We have a course called Facebook for $1 a day. I don't want to get results that have the word dollar in them, right? That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for results that mention the course $a day. So what do? All you got to do is type quotation marks in between rather not in between, but around the word. So type quotation marks, and this will only give me email messages where the phrase rather dollar a day appears. So yeah, in summary, use in inbox and to get new email sent to a particular email message, and use quotation marks to get a phrase for especially for a proper noun, right?